In this video, I will show you how to create a Netflix account on your Google Smart TV without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to make sure you have a browser that supports your Google Smart TV. There are so many browsers, but in this tutorial, I'm going to recommend a very good browser for you that you can use on your Google Smart TV or Android TV or for free. Let me show you how. Very first thing we want to do here is to go ahead and navigate to the Home tab right here. Then I'll get into Home tab, so you can see browser. This particular browser here, it encompasses with a lot of things such as Google, BBC, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, X. The more you slide, the more you see different things you can do with this browser. It also has Google Play Store. It has Discord. It has Rumble, Bing. It has Reddit, etc. In fact, it has TikTok and WhatsApp, as the case may be. All you have to do is to make sure you download and install this browser on your Google Smart TV. How can you download this productivity browser on your Smart TV? Go ahead and make sure you navigate to settings on your Google TV. And the next thing you want to do right here is to make sure you scroll down, click on apps, make sure you go to Google Play Store. Then next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and hit on open, then navigate to search. Then at this point here, you just want to make sure you search for this browser right here. Go ahead and type in browser. Once you type in browser, download and install this particular browser on your Google TV. After a successful download, go ahead and hit on open, and it's going to take you right here. So what you need to do right here is to come to the top right here in the browser. So you just have to make sure you come to the top, and then you have search right here. Click on search or enter URL right here. And then what you need to do is to simply search for Netflix. So what you need to do here is to come to your keypad, go ahead and type in Netflix. Netflix. So next thing you want to do right here is to simply click on OK, and it's going to load. Here you go. Go ahead and simply click on Netflix right here. Click on netflix.com, and then it's going to take you to Netflix homepage right here. Now you want to go ahead and create an account. So right here you have a lot of everything about Netflix is going to be displayed just like what you see right here. The same way you have it on your phone or PC is the same, or your tab is the same way you're going to have it in your Google TV right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see details, and then you can read detail as far as Netflix is concerned. Okay, next thing you want to do here is to go ahead and create a free account in Netflix. So for that, just want to make sure you come to the top right here and make sure you navigate to sign in right here. Click on sign in, just like so. The next thing you want to do here is to go ahead and enter your email address. So go ahead and click on email and enter your email address or your phone number right here. So next thing you want to do is to go ahead and enter the email address or the phone number you want to use for the account. So I'm going to enter a particular email address right here. So I'm going to use this email address right here. And the next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on continue right here. Then go ahead and click on continue. And they are going to send. And at this point here, go ahead and click on continue again to proceed. Then we sent a sign up link to the email below. Simply tap the link to create your account. Now we can use this same browser right here to have access to our email. So for that, we want to make sure we create a new tab right here. So we want to make sure we go back to the home page of the browser. We can simply come to the top right here. So we click on here. Then here we can easily have access to our mail. So here is my mail right here. So I'm going to click on my mail right here. So you can as well log into your Gmail with this browser. So here you go. This is my sign up link from Netflix. So next thing we want to do here is to proceed and open the mail. So here you go, you have it. Let us create your account. So next thing we want to do here is to simply scroll down all the way down and click on create your account. Boom. And you have successfully created a Netflix account. Just like so, account created. It's that simple. So you can start watching anything from this particular section on your Google TV. So you can see it now says sign out, just like so. So if you want to sign out your Netflix account, you just want to simply click on sign out right here, and then the account will be signed out. You can scroll down here and see some of the things you can watch right now. Okay, now you need to make sure you finish the setup. How can you do that? You just want to make sure you click on finish sign up right here. Finish sign up. So once you click on finish sign up, choose your plan. You have 2 to 3 steps to complete. Then here, no comment, no cancel at any time. Everything on Netflix for one low price, no advert and no extra stuff like that. So go ahead and click on next. Then here you go. At this point here, you have to choose your plan. You can choose basic for mobile. You can just choose for mobile, basic, standard, and premium. Everything depends on the kind of quality you really want to have. You can scroll down and read some of the plan right here and terms and just like so. So these are different package with different plan right here. So every package here come with 14 days free trial. Okay. So you can just choose any of the plan as the case may be. So I'm going to choose the standard plan, which is 1080 by 20 pixels. The next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here and then simply hit on next right here. So at this point here, choose how to pay. So you can either pay with your credit card, Visa card, or as the case, anyone that you think as the case may be. So at this point here, just go ahead and enter your credit card or Visa card right here. Then go ahead and enter your card number, expire date, CVV, name on the card, and then go ahead and click on I agree membership right here. Click on I agree membership. So you just want to make sure you fill in your card detail. So you can use Visa card, MasterCard, or Faku card as the case may be. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and enter the card detail right here, starting from the card number right here.